Hi. Okay guys, in this video today I'm going to talk about how to think in English. And before that I should say this was the easiest skill I developed in this language. Why? I don't know. It just happened. Somehow it happened itself, guys. I don't know. It just and also one more thing, guys. It's kind of weird for me and also unacceptable if you can't think in any language, so in this case English. So how are you gonna have a conversation in this language? So what are you gonna do? Let's say you have you're going on a date, you have a meeting or whatever the occasion is. So which how you get ready? That's why, guys, I think it was a really good thing for me, and also now I recommend this the exact thing for you. And also it is the beauty of this self-study, self-development, guys, because you do anything the way you want. There's no judgmental, I don't know, nothing to be worried or feel anxious, something like that, because you're getting ready before. Of course there's some thing, maybe you're living in a country this language used, or you are in a situation, of course that's different. Even for that, if you develop this thinking in English, the rest will be way easier for you to do. Okay guys, now there's a small mosquito. Anyway, okay guys, here's the thing. As you guys know, first step is listening. If you didn't watch that video, please go watch that video, because everything, the whole process, the whole plans related to the first step. Okay, watch that video, because I'm just talking now. Also use example from my listening. That's why you gotta have to improve your listening before anything else. The reason, if you don't understand, you can't make your even direction, decision, or do. What are you gonna do? Nothing. That's why just you gotta have to improve your listening before anything else. And now during that listening time, guys, when my listening was somehow in a place, I was able to understand at least 70, 75, even 80% of I just say YouTube's video. And then I kind of notice I can analyze, let's say this way, the same topic, the same audio, or the same video, okay, that I was really interested in. I liked it, that video. So I was trying to just say something or use those phrases from the same video, or say the same topic that I was watching. When for me, when just right before go to sleep, that's the really best time for me to think, because that's the time I kind of think about my whole life. There's a huge debate going on in my head about everything, your future or past, your current situation, what is going on with your life. Again, according to my situation, there's a lot of things going on. Being just living abroad without your family, it's not easy, guys. So that's why at that time, so I decided, okay, of course I was thinking a little bit about my whole situation, and again I decided, okay, let's this is the perfect time for me. I can't sleep, so let's just think about the video that I really like, I really love. And that's how it happened. Now if you do the same thing, let's say the video you're watching, guys, so try to say the same video for 2 minutes. Just start thinking, analyze it in your head, and the next day you're watching the video, so the next night, 2 days later on, the next even week, there's no rush, guys. Let's say if again your listening improved a little bit, now you will notice that You will notice that now you can think. You can just the whole thing when you close your eyes, the video, the audio, whatever you watching or listening the most, that will just somehow come in your mind and you start thinking. So do the same thing and start just try say the same topic in your head by yourself, okay? And then do it over and over again for it doesn't matter, for 10 days, 15 days, even a month. It's okay. Let's try say for 2 minutes, 3, 4, 5, 7. It's just, if you can say or think about the video for 7 minutes, that's really good. Because the good thing is about YouTube videos, because the YouTube videos just for 10-15 minutes. If you can think about the same topic for 7 minutes, that's really good. Okay, and then now after that, after you develop that, the same thing happened to me, guys. Now you try to think about your goal. What is your goal? Why you are just learning this language? Whatever your goal is, now you try to think about that, and then a positive one, always positive, because of course maybe you think about it's better you think about your past, but for me it was really hard, as you guys know. It's just completely different from me. I can't even think in my native language even now about my past, because everything is just complicating. It's just a whole mess, and that's why it's better to start thinking about your goal and then about this language, and then the next, of course, now you getting ready. If you are in a situation somewhere, so before go on a date or have meeting or have a conversation with your friends, online, offline, anywhere, before that, now you start thinking about the same topic, the same conversation you're going to have. Before that, get ready and start thinking and continue. So that's how I developed this skill. And now, guys, I'm not bragging or anything. Now I think in English more than any other language, even my native language. I don't know, in the whole time, like I think in English for 15 hours, the other, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. I think in my native language a little bit. I have to, according to my situation, I have to think in Bahasa Indonesia, because I'm living here, I'm surrounded with them. So, and also that. So yeah, guys, now again, just something, guys, this thinking or speaking or talk, as I told you guys, I developed this skill before even have a real conversation. So now this mindset thing, guys, it's got a really huge part of my whole journey, whether it's about learning English and also the whole life. That's why just think about it, guys. Now I'm doing this video. I know it's just somehow I'm using just my cell phone, the quality is not good, right? If I didn't overcome my, again, that social interruption, social anxiety, I had no that even guts to do this. I would never have the nerve or this kind of making this kind of video. That's why always just if you're going to do something, you should just develop that mindset, and also think. If you think correctly, so of course you will develop, you will be able to do it. So now it's really for me it's really easy. Now I'm doing video, even having a conversation, hopefully, and again the whole process is somehow I've done by myself. Even now I'm doing this, I'm able to do anything in this language, and the whole experience I have so far in this language, my real true conversation I used, it's not more than even 3 hours. The whole thing's by myself, and I will share everything. And also I'm hoping it's not I know everything I think the whole idea, the whole point, I'm doing this first. I just want to share this. I don't want to feel bad or have that regression in the past that I had the time I could do but I wouldn't. I don't want to have that kind of feeling or even guilt. And also it's not about how good this mate is, the whole plan, the idea is that I'm sharing with you. The point is, guys, if you watch this video, so you know about my everything, my whole life situation, everything I'm going through, and that gives you this energy. So if this person can do that, you can do it too. And now always I will recommend you guys, always use your own idea, whatever. I'm not saying you just use everything I recommend or this is the best. Use your own idea, add your own idea, have your own plan, because that's the thing, guys. When you see or develop just this much progress, that's irritating you. Okay, that's how you will never stop. That's why I think the whole idea I'm doing this, and also it's not only for you, it's somehow for me. As I told you guys, I got no one. Okay, I'm doing this, and also it's a huge practice for me, because I really just a month ago I kind of noticed I've forgotten the really basic expression or phrase or even a vocabulary that I learned them in the beginning, because I can't use them now. This is not just for if you are gonna make a video, share on social media, you got a lot of likes. It's a practice. Also just share whatever you have, whatever your knowledge, even if that knowledge this much, it's okay, just share it before you say it's late. That's the point. And also I really hope this video, my story, somehow just encourages you. Yeah, if this is not that big a deal, put yourself out there. Don't just scare, don't fear of failure. That's the really worst thing ever. Okay, nobody who even cares. Okay, just do it. If you got anything, if you don't, start today. Learning a language is really easy if you find the way to make it, the anything just right for you. I promise. Okay, guys, again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.